They're racing. 5 is away well. Also 2 showing early pace. 1 looking for run up the inside. It's also tight on the run to the first bend there. 3 is going a corner in front as they head out onto the back stretch. 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6. That's the way they hit the second bend. Heading down the back stretch. 3 and 4 lock horns. 2 is back in third. 1 trying for a run. Now 4 takes over in front from number 3. So it's 4, 3, 1 gone third now. Will be running on, but will it be too late as 3 takes it up as they turn into the home stretch? It's close up front. 3 and 4. 1 is steaming home up the inside. Not going to get there. 3-1-4 6-2-5. Winning time 29.68.